Let's work on an application on the second group of ratios, asset utilization ratios. So let's see what applications we can find. 18, it's very easy. You just have to apply one formula, so you are going to work on your own on this one. The same for 19. Let's do one that involves more than one ratio, like 21. In 21, we have, for this business, we have sales. For the first year, they sold the merchandise in value of 4,820,000. And you are asked to calculate several asset utilization ratios. And the first one is accounts receivable turnover. So you are going to calculate that as sales divided by accounts receivables. So this is sales, and you are going to divide that by accounts receivables to calculate it. And then you calculate inventory to turnover as sales divided by inventory. So you divide the same sales by inventory. Then you calculate fixed asset turnover as sales divided by fixed assets. In our case, the fixed assets are net plant and equipment. So you divide the sales by fixed assets over here. And then finally, you calculate total asset turnover as assets divided by total sales divided by total assets, which is this number over here. So these ratios are going to be for the first year. Now in the second year, we have a different number for sales, and you are going to do the same ratios, but using the new number of sales. So you can see the sales increase from 4.8 million to 5.7 million. Now, when you do the calculations for ratios for both years, this is what you get for each of them. Accounts receivable turnover year 1 is 5.42. Accounts receivable year 2 is 6.21. So from here to here, we have a slight increase in accounts receivable turnover. So that's good. That means you turn over a receivable faster. Inventory turnover, first year, second year, we have 11.73 times, and in year 2 it actually goes down half. What does it mean? For whatever reasons, it can be economy, slowdown in the industry, we have a reduction in inventory turnover. You don't sell your inventory as fast. It takes you longer to sell your inventory. Fixed asset turnover is 9.27 times year 1, and year 2 is 11.04, an increase. And total asset turnover is first year 2.43 times, the second year is 2.15. So it's a slowdown in total asset turnover. Those are the calculations. For C, you are asked to indicate if there is an improvement or decline in total asset turnover. Well, total asset turnover, we just said it decreased from 2.43 the first year to 2.15 the second year, and it's basically due to a much reduction in inventory turnover from 11.73 to inventory turnover to 5.4, half of that. That slowdown in inventory turnover affects the total asset turnover, and that's the interpretation of these ratios. The other ratios, they have slight change, but not as much as inventory turnover.